Writing a control script. Now we are going to create a new control script that will work much like player script. For the most part, we will be controlling the selector just as we would have controlled the player. This is our player character for the time being. Create the script and call it selector, then use the following code: public class selector mono behavior, public bool move left, public bool move right, void start, void update. If transform dot position dot x is more than -5 ampersand move left, or input dot get key down key code dot left arrow. Transform dot position is equal to new vector 2 transform dot position dot x -6 comma transform dot position dot y. Move left is equal to false, else if transform dot position dot x is less than 1 ampersand move right, or input dot get key down key code dot right arrow. Transform dot position is equal to new vector 2 transform dot position dot x plus 6 comma transform dot position dot y. Move right is equal to false. If input dot get key key code dot space select public void select, my label images are spaced 6 units apart, so that is how much the selector will move with each step. As you can see, this is very similar to our usual player script, although obviously without the death method or animations. There are also one or two other differences that you also need to be aware of. We have created a select method, but for now it's empty. Instead, all that is happening is that the selector is moving 6 units to the left or right when the user taps the arrow key. You will need to update this each time you add a new level, or potentially use something like number of levels *6 to calculate how far the selector can move to the right. If you drag the main camera object to make it a child of the selector in the hierarchy, then the screen will scroll as our selector moves. Right now, if you test this, it should work as long as you are using the cursor keys to on your computer. Public class level select touch mono behavior, private dot selector void start. Selector is equal to find object of type selector, public void press left arrow. Selector dot move right is equal to false, selector dot move left is equal to true. Public void press right arrow. Selector dot move right is equal to true, selector dot move left is equal to false. Public void release left arrow. Selector dot move left is equal to false, public void release right arrow. Selector dot move right is equal to false. Public void select selector dot select. Add this script to touch controller game object in your hierarchy, not to prefab. Remember, we only want this change to affect this instance of touch controls and not the ones used in level 1 and 2.